Hi friends, I am your logic teacher. Now we are going to see uh, surface areas and volumes exercise number 13.1. In that exercise the question number 6. Okay, you just keep the textbook in your hand, then only you can understand the question what it is. The question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Okay, there is a medicine capsule. It is actually, normally we know that shape, right? This is a cylinder which is stuck with hemispheres at two ends. Okay, then see figure 13.10, that is being given, and the length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeters. So what does it mean? The length of entire capsule, this is the length, right? That is 14 millimeter, right? It will be in millimeter, not in meter or something else, right? The capsule will be smaller in size, that will be in millimeter, right? Entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. So this is the diameter, this is 5 mm, right? This diameter is actually for both of the shapes. For the cylinder also this is the diameter, for the hemisphere also this is the common diameter, right? Okay, now find its surface area. We have to find out the surface area. So this is diameter, right? This is 5 mm, right? We have to find out the total surface area of the capsule. Okay, so what is the formula for the total surface area? We have 1 and 2 hemispheres and one cylinder shape, right? So surface area of capsule is equal to surface area of cylinder, that is curved surface area, right? CSA of cylinder plus this hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, but we have two hemispheres, right? So into 2, right? So what's the formula for CSA of cylinder? Formula is all about the circumference, right? 2 pi r into h times of 2 pi r in cylinder. Already I explained. 2 pi r h plus the formula for CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. We have two hemispheres here. Okay, so we need the radius. What's the radius here? Diameter is 5 mm. So what is radius? 5 by 2 mm. You keep values like this, don't divide here, it will be easy to calculation. Okay, right? So this can be 2.5, right? Or 5 by 2. So the radius or height and radius are same for the semicircle, that hemisphere, right? For a hemisphere this radius and this height are same because everything is radius in hemisphere, right? Okay, so we have to find out the height. This is the radius for this cylinder also. This is cylinder formula, no? So for radius is same for both the shapes. So what is height? This height, we have the total height, right? But here we know that this is 2.5 and this is 2.5, right? 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5. So what is the distance of this one? The cylinder, 14 minus here on 2.5, here on 2.5. So 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. that is equal to 9 millimeter is the height of the cylinder. From the given data we got that value, and radius is 5 by 2, right? Now we have to simplify here itself. How can we simplify this? Take the common things, right? Common terms. 2 pi r is common, right? So we have one h here, plus we have one 2 here, and we took 2 pi r, one more r here, 2r, right? Okay. So now we can substitute in this all the values. 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi, into what is r, that is 5 by 2, right? Right. What is h? H is 9 millimeter. Why 9? The cylinder has the height, right? Not the hemisphere. Hemisphere height is radius. Here h is from the cylinder, so you have to substitute the value of cylinder. Sometimes you will get confused with this. So 9 plus 2 into what is r, actually 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2. See, if you would have done the division here, it will be somewhat difficult to multiply and all, right? If you keep it like this, 5 by 2, we can easily do the calculation. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled, right? So 22 by 7 into 5, here 9 plus 5, right? That is 14, right? Okay. So we have cancelled 2 and 2. 22 by 7, 9 plus 5 is 14. Again this is like 22 by 7 into 5 into 14, right? Again you can cut 7 and 14, that is 2. So this is 222 or 44 into 5. So 5 fours are 20, balance 2. 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22. 220 what? Millimeters squared, right? The answer is surface area of capsule is 220 millimeters squared, right? Okay. Read the 7th question. Actually the 7th question is a tent. There is a tent, you know, the canvas tent we usually made at picnic times, no? Like that only. Okay. Actually there is a tent. It is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. There is a cylinder. Okay. There is a cylinder. Just a second, I'll take another pen, because it is over. Just a second. Sorry guys, took some time. Okay, now it is in the shape of a cylinder which is surmounted by, what do you mean by surmounted? It is fixed on top, right? Surmounted a conical top. This is the view of the tent. Okay. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, So the height is 2.1 meter for the cylindrical part. This is 2.1 meter. This will be in meter, bro. This is a tent, and the diameter is 4 meter. So this is 4 meter. This one is also 4 meter. So this diameter is also the diameter of conical part, right? So the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. So they have given the slant height L, right? This one, this slant height is 2.8, right? Yes, 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter. Okay. Then find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter squared. Okay. So 500 rupees 500 per meter squared. First we have to find out the total surface area of cylinder, total surface area of curved surface area of this conical part. This inner will go inside, right? So the visible part from outside is this curved surface of cone, and this one the curved surface of the cylinder. So what is the surface area of tent? That is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, right? What's the formula for that? CSA of cylinder is that is 2 pi r h plus CSA of cone is pi r l. Here it has been given L value of L is given, no? So you have a relief in this. You don't want to find that slanting height by using the formula L is equal to root of r squared plus h squared and all. Now we need radius, no? So diameter is 4, hence radius is 4/2 meter. Every time when you read the question, you should give a notice to the units, if all the units are in same measure or not. Okay, எல்லாமே மீட்டரில் தான் இருக்கா, இல்லை 1 சென்டிமீட்டரில் மாறி இருக்காங்கிறத இனிஷியலாக நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும். இது வரைக்கும் உங்கள் சம்பளம் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கல. இன்கேஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு கன்வெர்ட் ஆல் தம் இன்டூ 1 யூனிட். எல்லாத்தையும் மீட்டரில் மாற்றணும், இல்லைன்னா எல்லாத்தையும் சென்டிமீட்டராக மாற்றணும், இல்லைன்னா மில்லிமீட்டர், இந்த மாதிரி ஒரே யூனிட்டில் மாற்றிக்கணும் கால்குலேஷனுக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ 2πRh ப்ளஸ் πRL இல்லையா? இதில் காமன் டேர்ம்ஸ் என்ன இருக்குது? πr இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ இதில் 2h ப்ளஸ் இதில் L. ஓகே, நவ் வி நோ வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த ஆர் அண்ட் எல் எல்லாமே தெரியும் இல்லையா? ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலான்னா இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணலாம். πr is 22/7 into r is 4/2, right? Into what is 2 into h. H is actually height of the cylinder, 2πRh. Here no h, right? So cylinder height, that is 21 meter. 2 into 21 plus what is L, slanting height, that is 2.8 meter, right? So this is 22/7 into 2. 4/2 is 2, no? Right. Again 2 into 21 is 42 plus 2.8 equal to 22/7 into 2 into this is 44.8, right? Okay. Sorry, actually that is not 21, right? I made a mistake, great mistake. Actually this is not 21 meter, 2.1 meter, I think so, right? That will be bigger tent, no? 2.1 meter. So here it is also 2.1. This is 4.2. What is 4.2 plus 2.8? 10, 7, right? So this is 7. This is 7. So This are 7. So what will come? See, here itself we will work out. This is 2. See, I'll write here 22 by 7 into 2 into 7. You can cut down the number 7. So this is 44. The answer is 44 meter square. So the material you need to make the tent is the canvas material, right? 44 meter squared of material you need, and per meter squared it is charged about rupees 500, right? So now what for 44 meter square? What's the per meter square value? Rupees 500 per meter square, right? So for 44 meter square it is 500 into 44 meter square, right? That is 5 4s are 20. So okay, 5 4s are 20, balance to 5 4s are 20, 22 to 0 0, right? So the cost of making the tent is rupees 22,000, right guys? Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. We will see 8th and 9th. Okay, that will be also very easy questions. I'll see you guys. Thank you.